Are you considering starting an online business, but you don't know how to go about it? In today's video, I am going to share strategies of how you can jumpstart your online business and make consistent passive income. Welcome to my channel. If you are a new subscriber, please subscribe to this video. And thank you to all my existing subscribers. The first thing that you can do online to make passive income is to write best-selling book and publish it on Kindle. It could be an ebook of some of the knowledge that you have and share those contents with us on Amazon Kindle. The beauty of this is you don't need a publisher. Amazon is going to help you to publish this book for free, and they'll pay you royalties anytime anyone buy that, either be it a book or a series or an ebook. You are covered with Amazon platform. And the importance of even writing this book is that if you apply yourself very well, there are chances that you can be #1 best-selling writer or author on Kindle within 30 days. You all need to just apply yourself. The second thing that you can do to make money online is to create a YouTube channel. When you create a YouTube channel, you are talking about topic that you are really interested in, and people see you as an expert. I remember one of my mentors once told me that he has traveled to so many places just because he shared a lot of medical content on YouTube, and people have invited him to come and speak in their program. So you could also benefit from that kind of experience if you have your own YouTube channel. From the aspect that you even talk about YouTube AdSense, there are other aspects, and that is just one of them that I have just mentioned now. People will see you as an authority, they invite you and they pay you on at least for speaking in their program. The third thing that you can do to make money on YouTube is to create an online course. We all have experience to share with the world. What stops us from trying to at least convert this experience or knowledge to an online course so that a lot of people can benefit from this knowledge? So if you are considering sharing your knowledge with the world, just like what I'm doing now, or trying to at least influence the world with important knowledge or important experience, be it your own or someone close to you, you can format it and bring it out in form of an online course. The fourth thing that you can do to make passive income online is to be an influencer blogger. You see, like people like Linda Ikeji, they are making a lot of money from their posts. They blog every day, in fact, and when it talks about entertainment, we also have opera. A lot of things are being going on there. People write a lot on that platform. But you could have your own blogging account or website where you post on what you actually like about. And with time, some organization, once they see the kind of leads that comes to your platform, they begin to advertise on that particular platform. And that is how you make money from that kind of activities. The next thing is to think about having what we call, or you create what we call a podcast. You can be a podcast, just similar to YouTubing. When you do a podcast and you invite people to speak on your podcast, or you even share experience, people can definitely, or even organization can invite you to speak on one or two of their programs. And that happened to me because I remember there was a time I did a topic about corporate entrepreneurs on one of my podcast channel, and a lot of people comment, even from within and outside, that they love that content and they want me to at least share more content about that. And if that is consistently done, I believe that it is a great way to make a good passive income from that kind of activities. The next is affiliate marketing. When you talk about affiliate marketing, we already have some organizations that are doing very well. And what you need to do is just to pick one of their products or services and promote it with your network. And once these people buy from your link, because you just have to create an account and share that account with them. Once your friend or anyone within your contact buys from through that link, there is a certain commission that comes to you. And there is something that I used to do whenever I think I maybe participate in any affiliate program, app marketing. What I used to do is to buy that particular product or service first and try it and test it and look at all the benefits, so that when you want to talk to people, you will talk from a position of knowledge. So you could also try that, but if you cannot try that, you don't have the resources to do that, what you can do is look for a particular product or service that you like so much, go to that company, sign up with them, and ensure that you promote such item with your online contacts. The next thing that you can do is what we call online reviews. There are a lot of companies that are looking for people to review products or services for them. So if you go online and you search for online review businesses or platforms, you see a lot of platforms that can be able to pay you just for reviewing these programs for them. So these are the few things that I think we can start to make passive income online. And the beauty or the importance of doing this is that you can either start with one of them, or you can start with either a combination of two or three. But if you are just new to online business, I will advise that you start with just one and concentrate and build on it before you move to the next one. Thank you for watching this video, and I'd like you to please subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of the content. Thank you, and see you next time.